Hi, we're Coastal Roofing. Today we're addressing a common question. Why can't we install or re-gel coat fiberglass roofs or decks during rain or even the day after? This spring on Long Beach Island has been extremely wet. May saw about 1.7 inches of rain, and June averages around 2.2 inches with approximately 30% chance of rain on any given day through June. In fact, it's been raining most days in May, with many more wet days showing up in June. Fiberglass installation and gel coating depend on perfect bonding conditions. Here's why rain and even residual moisture the next day wrecks that process. Water trapped under the gel coat prevents the resin from fully adhering to the fiberglass mat. It creates weak spots and blistering. Even a wet surface collects dirt, salt spray, or pollution. That compromises the resin's ability to bond, leading to poor finish and durability. Gel coat needs stable humidity and temperature to cure. Damp air delays curing, creates tacky surfaces, and risks a chalky or uneven finish. Decks and roofs retain moisture. The wood or substrate beneath stays wet hours after the rain stops. Laying down gel on that hidden dampness causes bonding failures and future leaks. At Coastal Roofing, we've specialized in fiberglass for over 55 years. We're one of the few in the area with this level of expertise. We take great pride in our work to ensure your fiberglass roofs and decks are pristine and built to last. That's why, when it rains, or it's just constant mist, or even the day after, we won't compromise. We'll wait until conditions are absolutely perfect. With over half a century in business, we guarantee we'll do it right. Any questions on why we can't work in this weather? Give us a call. Head to coastalroofinglbi.com for all info. Thanks for watching.